got you. Get on the ground! Got you. I got you, I got you, I got you. I got you, I got you. I got you, I got you. Nah, I'm good, I'm good. Get your rifle, get your rifle, get your rifle. Get your rifle. Hey, watch your back, watch your back. Do not get flamed. Hey, get your rifle, I got you. I got you. Matt, get your rifle, I got you. I need a key. I'm pushing. It's in the car. I got you, I got you, I got you. You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Watch your back, watch your back. Do not get flamed.
On May 19th, 2024, San Jose officers responded to gunfire erupting from a van in a packed apartment complex on Colmar Drive. This is what their body cams captured.
Get on the ground. Do not fucking move.
I got radio.
Do not fucking move! Keep your hands up! Do not move! Do not move! Do not move! I want to provide aid to you! Sarge, please put on gloves. Do not grab the gun! Don't grab the gun! Do not grab the gun! Stop! Copy! Let's get an arrest team! Get less lethal! Do not move! Stop!
Take off! I'm with you! I got radio, stay. 6 ball 10, priority traffic. Ball 10.
Keep your hands up! Do not move!
We're
Do not move!
6 on the male. He has been hit. He's down.
Do not move! I want to provide aid to you! Sarge, do not grab the gun!
Ball
Don't
10,
grab the gun!
Mill's still grabbing the gun.
Do not grab the gun! Stop! Copy! Let's get an arrest team! Get less lethal!
We're going to be on Colmar just at the first...
This is where everything comes to a head. Officers are trying desperately to keep the suspect alive while he's still reaching for a gun. There's tension in every word, a mix of control and desperation. They don't want to fire again, but they will if he forces their hand. It's real, raw, and terrifying.
Ball 10, we have the suspect it's close for fire.
It's plays, come out! Come out with your hands up! Come out with your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Gun! 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 Stand by! Pull back! Pull back! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Hey, I'm in. You in? I'm in. Where? You alright? One officer hit. I got one officer hit. Pops, second master. It's plays, come out!
On March 21st, 2024, Fort Lauderdale police responded to a chilling 911 call at a Holiday Inn Express. The caller claimed he was armed and ready to shoot anyone who came near.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! I'm in. Good. I'm in. Where? You alright? One officer hit because I want to hit. Come out with your hands up. Hands up, hands up. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. God. Stand by. Stand by. Push.
This is the turning point. You can hear the sudden panic, the realization that the suspect is armed and opening fire. It's chaos in an instant. The tension is terrifying.
Get on the ground!
Just stay right here for me, please.
Do you have a positive ID? Go check Elvis on the name that I read. Elwood Clark, Sean Hospital.
He'll get knocked peacefully. Tell me that.
Elwood, put your hands
Do
behind
not touch me.
Put your hands
Hey,
behind
do
your
not
back.
touch me.
Put your hands behind
Do
your
not
back.
touch me. I'm telling you, do not touch me.
I'm gonna tase
If
you.
you tase me, it's gonna get hot in this bitch. And I'm telling you, it's gonna get hot. I'm telling you, it's gonna get hot. I don't care. Go ahead.
I'm gonna tase you.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen.
Put your hands behind your back.
Go ahead and do what you guys do. Go ahead. Don't touch me though. You're not allowed to touch me.
Back up.
Maintain 1 arm distance from me for your own safety.
Taser, taser, taser. Tase him.
On October 23rd, 2024, Charlotte County deputies responded to a disturbance on Sandy Pine Drive in Punta Gorda. What followed was a tense standoff with a man refusing arrest.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Get a fucking tase me, motherfucker.
All right. Ease up. Ease up. No, tase.
I'm fed up. Get off.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Stay down. Stay down.
I've been paid. You're gonna get shot, motherfucker. I'm telling you. You're gonna get a fucking shot. It's not gonna work. Get on the ground. It's not gonna work. You're incompetent.
Get on the ground. What? Not lethal. Not right now.
Get on the
No one's gonna get murdered.
We don't want to hurt you. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground.
Get on the ground. Hey, shut up! Get on the ground.
That's my brother.
Hey, come on.
It's a civil matter.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
This guy, he's a badass. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Come on, Dave.
Just get on the ground. What is
Or
the problem?
K9.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Your ETA.
Day, come on, man.
402 Central. So update, we're still attempting to take into custody, trying to avoid lethal at this point.
Get on the ground.
Shots fired!
Shots fired. Behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Shots fired! 428 shots fired!
Hey, cover. Calm him down.
Hey, breathe. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. In, out. In. Hey. Look at me. No. Come on, face this way. Deep breaths.
The suspect moves from verbal defiance to open resistance. He talks about sovereignty, rights, land, but the officer's tone is firm. The legal line has been crossed, and now things are dangerously close to violence.
What's going on, man?
Fuck wrong with your ass.
What's wrong with your ass?
Fuck wrong with you.
What's wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with you.
What's wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with your ass.
Get your ass nah, come on. Where you going?
Come on now, why are you running?
NFL going on right now. We've got you covered.
What's the deal, bud? Huh? What's the deal?
Fuck out your game.
What's going on, man? Huh?
Come on, man. Let's do it.
On September 20th, 2023, Birmingham police responded to reports of a disorderly man at Underwood Park. What followed was a tense confrontation caught entirely on body cam footage.
Come on, what's up? What's up? What's up? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Better turn around. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back right now. Put your hands on your back.
You say everything.
Put your hands on your back. Hands behind your back. Put your hands on your back.
2200 block of Magnolia. You got the sauce?
You say 24? 1024 and 1313.
2-3.
You got your phone?
I did.
Oh, you did? You locked it?
Yeah.
This exchange hits deeper. You get a glimpse into the suspect's mental state. Erratic, paranoid, maybe even disturbed. It's not just about the crime anymore. It's about a person clearly spiraling and officers caught in the middle.
Hands up. Get the door! Get down on the ground right now! Hands up! Hands up! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Face down on the ground! Victims are out. Got time. All right, hold on. Slow down. Hold on. We're not going to shoot you. We're not going to shoot you. Calm down. Get that rifle. Shoot me. Shoot me right now. We're not all right. Shoot me. Shoot me. I got this hand. I got his head on me. If you keep doing that, shoot me. I'm okay here.
On July 18, 2023, Seattle police and SWAT teams responded to a tense hostage situation in Queen Anne, Seattle, involving a barricaded man and two women. That single moment, victims are out, is where everything shifts. Relief floods in, but the danger hasn't passed. The suspect's instability keeps the room on edge. Listen to that voice crack when he yells, "Shoot me." That's
Hey, this dude's not stopping. Keep an eye out, make sure he's not.
He's in first quarter,
see any other
Railway,
people.
North of Road Transit. 18-145, still cancel.
Do you want to call it a reckless or DUI if they take off?
145, right.
He's been swerving. There we go, PA. Move your hand real quick.
Oh, stop.
Go! Shots fired. Get the car! What was that? You good? Go! Just go! 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 We're gonna be northbound.
You want your location?
Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans. They hit us with, dude. Hey! No, go, 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 go. Dude, go.
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck was that? I don't know. Chuck, do you know where they went? No. Do you know where they went? No. No, stop. We're stopping.
On July 3rd, 2024, LAPD officers conducted a traffic stop near Broadway and Rosecrans. What followed was a sudden and violent attack with a fully automatic weapon.
We need an RA on 135 Street. Partner, you okay?
844 Broadway and 135 Street, alright.
Hey, stay with the car.
Suspect last seen northbound Broadway from 135th. 145 Phil Castle.
You are going reckless or DUI if you take off? DUI, he's been swerving. There we go. We get in real quick. Oh, stop, they stop.
Go, go, go! Get the car! Get the car! Go, go, go! Shots fired! Shots fired! Officer needs help! Officer needs help! Get the car! Get the car! What was that? You good? No! Just go! 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 We're gonna be northbound.
You want your location?
Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans. What they hit us with, dude? Hey! No, go, 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 go. Dude, go.
What was that?
What the fuck was that? I don't know. Chuck, do you know where they went? No. Do you know where they went? No. No, stop. We're stopping.
That gunfire isn't just loud, it's deafening in meaning. The officers don't even get out of the car. The suspect opens fire immediately, leaving no chance to de-escalate. This is raw, real chaos.